Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Cynthia Cannon. I am the Ohio 4-H STEM Specialist. In this video, I will introduce a brief overview of how to use the Foldscope so that you can be better prepared to complete the Ohio 4-H project book, Microscope Mysteries. As of November 2024, Foldscope currently offers three types of Foldscopes: Foldscope 1.0, Foldscope 2.0, and Foldscope Mini. The Microscope Mysteries project book will work with either the Foldscope 1.0 or the Foldscope 2.0, but not the Foldscope Mini. Let's get started. To use the Foldscope, the first thing you will need is a sample, or something to look at. To prepare a sample on a slide, you can use a glass slide, a paper slide, or a trading card slide. If you are using the paper slide or trading card, you may need to use the ring sticker or the clear sticker that come with your Foldscope. Here's just a brief example of me preparing torn and ripped toilet paper on each of the slides. Torn toilet paper is always my go-to for a sample when I'm teaching new learners how to use Foldscope. If you want more videos and information on how to prepare samples, please visit our website at go.osu.edu/4hmicroscopes. To use your Foldscope, you will need to insert your slide into the back of your Foldscope. Then, flip your Foldscope to the front and view the sample directly through the lens. You can also connect the Foldscope to a device and view the sample through the camera feature. While you can see the sample through natural light, it is easiest to see the samples if you use an LED light to attach the Foldscope. In order to properly view your sample, you can use several of the features available on the Foldscope. If you want to look at different parts of the sample, simply slide the handheld section of the Foldscope up and down, or left and right. If your sample is blurry, you can use the focus ramp and slide it to the left or to the right to find your focus. If you want additional information, such as how to prepare a slide, Foldscope Instruments created several videos with extended instructions and extra tips, which are listed on the 4-H website, go.osu.edu/4hmicroscopes.